Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about this L space air conditioner. I don't know if it's like a portable air conditioner. No, it's not really. So this air conditioner is just for like one room. I've really enjoyed using this air conditioner. Gets my room nice and cold pretty quickly. Doesn't take long to cool off my room, which is maybe like, I'd say it's like a 12 by 12 foot room, square foot room. And it really just, in no time, it cools off my space. It has these vents. I'm going to power it off real quick. Just press the power button there. So it has buttons here, power, mode. It has 3 different modes, cool, dry, and fan. And then here is where it'll display the temperature that you have it on. And then fan, high, low, and then timer, you can set it to turn off at a certain point, and then sleep. It has a vent here, which is where the air comes out of. So I'll go ahead and turn that on. When it's off, it automatically closes it, and then when you turn it on, it opens automatically. It's been on for a while, so you can kind of see some condensation there. That dries. It's never like done anything like that. I'm going to turn it back off just because it makes it kind of loud. Sorry, I did want to show you the temperature here. It's real easy. It just goes up by 1. I'm not sure what it goes down to. Let's see how far we can get this down. So it looks like 60 degrees Fahrenheit is the coldest you can put it at. I'm going to put it back up to 70, and then I'm going to turn it off so that you can hear what I'm saying the rest of this video, not just the air coming up at me. And there's like a slight beep when you go to turn it off. Like I just pressed it, but it didn't actually go. And I know that because I didn't hear the beep. So this actually is attached to an outside vent, as you can see here. It goes out the window, which is very interesting. It's not just something that you just plug in. It does need to be plugged in. It has the cord coming from the bottom on this side, and I have it plugged in there. So you attach it both here and then outside. It has these really, really great handles on either side. It has one here, and then it has one on the other side, which makes it nice and easy to carry. It's really great. You have an information label there, and then you also have another label over here on the other side. It's an LG, it has the model number there and number for service. So this is probably what you would use. I got it and it did come with a warranty, so this is probably the information here is what you would use. If something's wrong with it, you need to get it repaired, you just call that number and then give them the model number. I have not had to do that at all. It's worked great for me. Yeah, and it comes with a remote as well, which is really convenient. I don't have batteries in it right now. Great. But it has a screen. The screen shows you what the temperature you have it set at. It has mode, fan, swing, sleep, timer, basically, and then your arrows. It's like kind of soft buttons. And then it has like a little holder there for the remote. Yeah, it's just a really, really great. Because it's attached, like it says portable, you can't just plug it in, but because I have it on like all summer long, I have it attached outside. So because of that, it's not really super portable for me. So I haven't used it in like a bigger room. I make sure to always close my bedroom door so that the air doesn't let out. Because if I left the door open, I don't think it would cool off like the entire apartment. My room would be just as hot as the rest of the apartment. So I always just leave my door closed and I only use it to cool off this room. But like I said, it does cool off the room very, very quickly when I live in New York, so I like walk everywhere. And when it's like 100 degrees outside and I like walk into my apartment and I'm like sweating, just walk into my room, turn this on, and literally within like 5 minutes I'm cooled off and my room feels like heaven from walking outside. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this air conditioner. You can get it pretty much anywhere. I've had really, really good experience with it. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll go ahead and show you this again. I kind of want to take this off now. I'll go ahead and take this plastic part off. Just like, this is the only part that had the plastic on it when it came. It came in just like a box with like styrofoam and all that fun stuff. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.